Hi, my name is Nathan Lintzenich. I've been working here at Cambridge Air Solutions for about 9 months, and before this I went to Rankin Technical College for a year for welding and fabrication technology, and it's part of my resume to look for another job where I can probably use my welding skills and other manufacturing abilities at. Here at Cambridge, when I first started, I was starting to screw together parts of units, using motor drills and stuff like that, pneumatic air tools. Then I went over to an offloading position. I picked up different stuff off of carts from our powder coating oven, taking materials off of there and bringing it to the different areas. And then I got to my current position right now, where I've been using a resistance welder or spot welder, pop riveting different parts for burners, assembling them all together for the next guy to finish building it so they can put it inside our units. My next job, I'm hoping to get a job that does more of my welding than assembling and manufacturing. I haven't built up that much experience yet, but I have been practicing here on thinner materials than usual, but I still need to practice. But I'm trying to find a job where I can get more of that practice, show more of my welding skills, and get more in tune with it. Thank you for watching this video, which kind of counts as my resume, and looking forward to talking to you.